Hey, you about, Jack? It's Rudwell. I tracked the second route to a tip. This one's also out the ground. Seems those boomers are really picking up the pace. Oh, and, yeah, the LDF are here as well. Over.
Roger. Those fuckers are a problem. Try again with the electronic deception. See if you can send them off somewhere. If we can just get one more sample, it might be enough. Out.
Tego. Ten korzeń generuje neutrino w niesamowitym tempie, ale nie wiemy dlaczego. Odbiór. To z teorią doktora. Czy to może być jakaś sonda? Odbiór. Stwierdzam, na to właśnie wygląda. Są dowody na to, że wewnątrz korzenia znajdują się skomplikowane receptory. Prawdopodobnie pobierają dane z głęby. Przyjąłem. A czy jego zespół doszedł do jakiegoś konsensusu co do najgorszego scenariusza? Odbiór. Rekonesans. Być może przed inwazją? Jeżeli to neutrino są formą wiadomości, jak sugeruje dr Len, to może być to rodzaj kosmicznego wezwania do akcji. Odbiór. Być może będziemy musieli znaleźć sposób na wyłączenie tego. Wiecie, jak to zostało wykopane? Odbiór. Nie. Musiał to być jeden z tych pulsaków, ale nie mamy pojęcia w jaki dokładnie sposób. Odbiór. Przyjąłem. Podtrzymujcie ścisły dozór i meldujcie, jeśli sytuacja ulegnie zmianie. Bez odbioru. Echo, z tej strony Szary Wilk, odbiór. Szary Wilk, z tej strony Echo, odbiór. Kieruj się na południe i upewnij się, że twój sektor jest czysty, odbiór. Szary Wilk, przyjąłem. Jedziemy tam, bez odbioru. Szary Wilk, odbiór. Wilk, z tej strony Delta, odbiór. Kieruj się na północ i upewnij się, że twój sektor jest czysty, odbiór. Zrozumiano, Szary Wilk, jesteśmy w drodze, bez odbioru.
Okay, we got a bit of it. I'm gonna make an exit.
Great, way to go. Pick up Eddie and hot footage. Out.
Rudwell? Hello. It's Dr. Carpe. How are you doing out there?
You know, surviving.
Corporal Stipe says he took samples from 2 of those root caps. That will help us assess the danger from alien microbes.
Yup. You're welcome. But what about the aliens?
You mean as a biothreat? It's certainly a concern, although pathogenesis... It requires a certain, affinity. One that's attained after millions of years of coevolution. And soil-borne diseases? There's plenty of them, and very few are understood.
Okay, I think I can see what you're getting at. Guess I'm taking R&R in quarantine. Thanks for the pep talk there, Doc. It's real appreciated. Out.
Rudwell, just got word from the LT. Guess what? The Livonians fixed the grid. There's power. Generators kicked in at the Lomnitsa substation. The electronics still won't work, but the actual AFR towers will. They're grounded, lightning protection. We can get a message to UCOM. How fucking copy? Over.
Solid copy. All right. You got an RV? Over.
Affirmativo. Kingsley's got a setup at the transmitter overlooking Camp Kresnik. Start moving. We'll meet you at the fork in the road below. Ditch the robot if you want. We are leaving. Out.
Lane, still awake, pal?
Yeah, rough fucking night, huh? Jack needs you for some shit. Don't ask me what.
Hey, you good?
Yeah. Where's Sapphire?
They're already up the hill at the radio tower.
And the LDF?
I don't know, they just went.
Can't you leave the damn van?
No, we need it. If we're gonna get out of here, it's gotta be incognito. Baker's just fixing the flat. Go on ahead, find Lieutenant Kingsley. Tell him we're on our way.
Lieutenant Kingsley. Jesus. Good to see you, sir.
Yeah, likewise. You're not with the corporal?
Nah, he's at the intersection, bottom of the hill. Should be here any second. We got a flat.
You get any data?
Samples. From the underground routes. In case they're a bio threat or something, I don't know.
No, that's great work.
So, we got power now?
Yeah, just gotta flick the transfer switch. It's still routing from the emergency generator, which was out of diesel from the get-go. Honor's all yours. Throw the lever on the wall over there.
Armed Forces Radio live on the air.
Hey, let there be light.
Okay, you may as well finish the job, Rudwell. My gear's in that two-story building. There's working tech left over from our first attempt. Access my laptop, then click on the red automation button. It's an improvised arrangement, but it should do the trick.
Hope you're right. We just lit ourselves up like a Christmas tree. Red button and... Shit, here goes.
Alchemist to any station. Flash. This is an emergency. Disrupted. Severe damage to all communications.
Lieutenant Kingsley!
Trunk network down.
Corporal
Confirmed
Stipe,
sighting
don't
of
shoot.
Alpha Foxtrot
Coming up on the
Oscar.
compound.
Request
South side.
immediate assistance.
Civilians in tow and...
Tresnik. Relay to address
we got company.
North Star.
There's a boomer.
Position is-
Inbound. Looks like you got a detention. Over.
Copy. Oh my god. We got eyes on. ROE. Nobody fired was fired upon. Corporal, get your science liaisons ready to advise.
Rudd, do that thing with the Spectrum device again. Communicate. Get him inside your head. The visions he's sharing, gotta be trying to tell us something.
Yeah, like, piss off. I don't need this thing rearranging my brain, Jack.
Just do it. This is our last chance if we want to make meaningful contact. Maybe we can show him we're not all gun-toting idiots this time. No one engage if Rudwell goes down.
seen.
Okay. Interface with them. Move up. Careful, alright?
All units, stay calm. Fingers off triggers.
Baker, he coming round?
Rud, man, talk about taking one for the team.
Jesus, my head.
You hit it when you fell. Trust me, though, you'll live. Come on, up and at 'em.
How long I been out?
Long enough. The boomer's gone, and the Russians are here.
Yeah, and worse, they're not the fucking problem. We're on a razor's edge. You, me, them, all of us.
I saw the mothership.
And Captain Severov needs to speak to you. He's having trouble explaining shit in English.
Captain who?
Captain Severov, the guy with the cap over by the gate.
Атаман, это Шашка. Силы Ливонии перешли в наступление. Для проведения в действие плана «Дитя Грома» к нам присоединится группа американцев. Еще люди нам не помешают. Все отряды приближаются к рубежу регулирования. Ожидайте приказов. Конец связи. You are Specialist Rudwell?
Yeah.
My name is Captain Severov. 223rd Special Purpose Detachment, Russian Federation.
Далеко вас от дома забросило, капитан.
So it's true. An educated American. Мы все далеко от дома, дружище. Слышал, что вы нашли хорошее применение нашему нейтринному детектору. Ты знал, что все корни соединены между собой? Что у них есть ядро? Ты знаешь, почему я здесь? Почему они тоже здесь? Доктор Кессон, explain danger of core.
Rudwell, lad, you remember in 2020? A meteor hit Olam.
That thing in Siberia? Oh, don't tell me it wasn't a meteor, Doc.
Aye. Ruskies were drilling for oil.
Found what you find here.
Only what they had. It was defunct, crushed by the movement of tectonic plates. The whole thing had biomineralized. Huge cover-up. The roots were connected to a central device, a hub, a node, part of a cosmic communications network, powered by exotic energy, non-baryonic matter, negative mass.
They break open and boom!
30 megaton explosion. And that one, it wasn't even bloody active. Imagine what this could do.
Goodbye, Livonia?
Yeah, maybe. That's if we're lucky.
And if we're not?
Hell, then all bets are off. You ever hear of bubble nucleation?
The visions.
Истребители! Livonian Defense Force, they begin.
Begin what?
Our mutually assured destruction.
Captain, you guys have a contingency for this? There a plan?
Plan? Yes, America. Only not good. We separate. 3 teams. Ваш лейтенант возьмет один отряд, чтобы ликвидировать артиллерийский расчет на гребне к северу отсюда. Капрал возьмет другой отряд, чтобы оттянуть на себя подкрепление. Все остальные атакуют завод и захватывают ядро, пока еще не слишком поздно.